Hello traders. In this video, we are going to be reviewing the Precision Sniper EA for MT5. This is a precision entry focus system designed for high accuracy trades. So let's see the developer's claims and then compare it to how it performed in my personal backtest. But before we dive into all that, you can download the free Forex robots for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, so let's get into it. As you can see on the MQL5 page, the Precision Sniper EA uses advanced algorithms to identify high probability sniper-like entries at key market levels. It focuses on precision timing, waiting for confluence of multiple factors before pulling the trigger on trades. Right, as you can see, the EA is a multi-confluence expert advisor that combines EMA crossovers, RSI momentum, MACD histogram, ADX trend strength, volume analysis, and an optional higher time frame bias filter to identify high probability trade entries. You can see it on the side. It also has a real time on chart dashboard which shows trend direction, live score, RSI, ADX, volatility regime, and floating profit and loss in R multiples. Right, so the EA includes trade management, tight stops based on reset structure, and adaptive management for runners. Is optimized for specific pairs and timeframes where clean setups are more common. Right, so you can see the key features. They include precision entry filtering, dynamic stop placements, trailing and partial profit options, risk percentage controls, and session-based trading. The input allows fine-tuning of sensitivity and risk parameters. It's positioned as a high accuracy tool for traders who prefer quality over quantity of trades. So we can see they also input parameters. You can see most of our customizable options. So it's always good to play around with this a bit on your demo accounts so you can find what works and what sticks with your strategy. For the developer screenshots, we can see the performance. You can see how the equity curve looks pretty decent. Some periods of consolidation and then some periods of spikes, and overall it just trends upwards, especially towards the far right, where you see these movements sharply to the upside. As for the results, you can see over the periods not specified, over the period, there was a period of there was a profit of $7,206. The profit factor was 2.09, which was quite decent, and the balance drawdown was 5.02. All right, so that looks fine and good, but does it actually hold up when I put it through my own personal back test? Let's quickly take a look. So I have my MT5 here, and I was opportune to carry out the testing on the EUR USD pair on the M15 time frame. I carried the test over a period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And for the test, I got the following results. Right, so you can see how the equity curve looks. It's quite different from what we had on the developer screenshots, where you could see spikes up and then overall trending upwards. Here, it sort of seems like the opposites. Firstly, there was this period of large drawdowns where it just went straight down. It tried to recover towards the midpoint, but ultimately it started going down, trading down once again. And then there was this period of consolidation, even though it still moves slightly to the downside. And then it still falls once again over here as we go further to the right. It tried to climb up a little bit more again, but ultimately it fell just below our starting point. So this also reflects in the numbers. You can see the stats. So for the initial deposit of $10,000, we had a total net loss of $16.57. The profit factor was below 1 at 0.93, and we had a balance drawdown of 0.30%. The EA took a total of 392 trades during the period. All right. So, comparing this to what we have on the developer side, you can see it's actually quite different. The kind of profits and equity curve we saw here as what we experienced in my personal backtest. So it's always good to take developer claims with a pinch of salt. But compared to high frequency EAs, this one is more selective, which can lead to better VIX rewards but fewer opportunities, as we could see by the low number of trades it took in the 1 year period. Honestly, the features that matter most are the confluence filters, proper VIX per trade, and patience for setups. Sniper strategies reward waiting. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, fewer trades mean longer periods of inactivity. It can miss moves if filters are too strict. Broker execution matters for tight stops. In practice, use on higher time frames for cleaner signals. So, who is the EA actually for? It's ideal for patient traders who prefer high quality setups over constant trading. It's good for those who value precision. You should avoid this EA if you want frequent trades, scalping, or fully hands off high activity EAs. Overall, Precision Sniper EA delivers on its name with selective high accuracy entries. It has strong potential for disciplined traders, but test on demo to see if the style fits you. Alright, so if you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to test next. Don't forget to grab that free report from the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.